For this exercise, you're going to be using your fusion ball and a bar. So this exercise is really great for building a little bit of stamina, getting that endurance up. We're also going to be building strength in our quads, in our hamstrings, glutes, calf area, and also working into our balance. So Pip is going to take the fusion ball and she's going to place it onto the floor, and placing that heel onto the fusion ball, but the ball of the foot is on the floor. She has both hands onto the bar. So both feet are going to start onto the fusion ball, and then from here, she's going to take the arms down. They're going to circle up the side to fifth and then lower back down to the bar. And we bring one leg into a parallel passe position. So from here, she's going to lunge back, taking it back 1, and then come back into the passe. Good, reaching 2, lift. So each time you lift, you want to think of that quad, that glute, and that hamstring area. 4, we have 4 more. And power up, shoulders down each time you go down. And lifting 6, lovely. Working through the core, 7. And then the last one, 8, you hold it down there on 8. Yes, perfect. Hold it there. Now, shoulders down, back up just a little bit. Yes, we have little pulses up and down. 1, little pulse 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we go into an arabesque. So we lift that back leg and then we come back to our lunge. And lifting 2. Good. Abdominals. 3. And shoulders down. 4. Back into that lunge. And lift 5. Good, stretch through the back of that knee, 6, 2 more, reach 7, 1 more lift, hold it there, 8, bring that leg straight into your passe. From there, we're going to find a little balance. That's it. Lower the arms, we lower the leg, and we switch straight to the other side into our passe. So we repeat the exercise on the other side. Then from there, we're going to lower that foot down, and we're going to go into a little quad stretch. So bringing one leg in, we're holding for 8 counts, and then we have 4 counts to change legs. Take it across to the other side. Just releasing into that stretch, and then lower that foot down. Take those feet wide, and then just stepping back, you're going to take hold of that ball, reaching forward, rolling that ball back, lengthening just to release the hamstrings and release the spine to finish. Reaching up, take the hands down, bring the leg to passe, and we go down, up, 2, abdominals, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you're going to hold it down in the lunge. Hold, little pulse. 1, 2, abdominals, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go arabesque up, lunge down. 2, beautiful. 3, 4, good. 5, 6, 7, hold it up there, bring it into your passe. Find a little balance. Abdominals, lower the hands, lower the foot, switch to the other side, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 more, 7, we hold down. Little pulse, 1, 2, 3, keep breathing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, arabesque, 1, 2, stretch to the back of that knee, 3, 4, 5, lengthening, 6, 7, hold the arabesque, bring it into your passe, take a little balance. Good, lower down. We go into quad stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we switch. Take your time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just slowly stepping back, reaching that ball, and then just go as far as you can within your own range, stretching through the backs of those knees, releasing that spine, really working into that stretch to finish.